If the concept of a set still hasn't set in, let's take an example with brunch because everybody absolutely loves brunch. So let's say it's a busy Sunday morning at a restaurant and people are coming in for brunch and they want to put their name on the list. So we'll create a variable called brunch, and that will be a new set. Then as people start coming in, we want to add them to the list. So we say brunch.add Wes, brunch.add Sarah, and Simone. Then we are ready to open. So what we're going to do is take the values from this line and start to use it. So we'll say const line equals brunch.values. Now we're working with this line here, and we can say, all right, who's up? First one is line.next.value. Why do we call line.next.value against it? Because line.next is going to give us the generator item, and value is going to be the actual item from our set. So if I console.log that, we should see, okay, Wes is up. Then if we've got room for another person, we'll just call that same code again. All right, Sarah is up. Now, where is our set at right now? Let's take a look. Brunch. Okay, Wes, Sarah, Simone, but that doesn't make too much sense. What about line? Just Simone is actually left. So that's really interesting because when you call next against this line, it will remove itself from the set iterator, whereas the set is the sort of the gold list of everyone that has currently went through it. But then people start showing up. So we've seeded our first couple customers and people are showing up. So we can just start adding them to the initial set. So we'll say brunch.add. And notice how we're not adding them to the line. We're adding them to the initial set here. So maybe Heather shows up, and then maybe Snickers the dog shows up for brunch, and we can just keep calling next on it. We can call it next, and as we do that, people are being seated. So Wes, Sarah, Simone, Heather, Snickers. Even though I added these after the fact of creating the set and creating the line here, we can still add people to the original one, and the iterator is going to iterate on through to them.